Hey, I, as you probably know, mostly write code for other programmers. So I don't make products, I don't make websites, I don't make web services mostly, but I do write, as they call, system software, which is used by other programmers. So my bug reporters, people who report bugs to me, who complain about mistakes in my software, they are programmers. Why I'm saying that? To emphasize that the people who report to me, they're quite smart and quite knowledgeable in the area of bug reporting. So they know what is the bug, how to report the bug. So they're not just some end users who barely understand what is a computer. And these people, the programmers, they keep making the same mistake over and over again, which I would like to tell you about. And I was trying to find some blog posts, some articles, some recommendations against this mistake in order to show them that they keep making this mistake. And I didn't manage to find any. That's why I decided to record it. I even decided to write a blog post, which is already probably published on my blog. The mistake is that they report a bug. When they report a bug, they make it as it is comfortable for them, but not in a possible simplest form of which the bug can be represented. I'll give you an example. Let's say I'm making a programming language, and in this programming language I have a number of operators, the plus, the minus, the division, the multiplication, something like that. And then you report a bug. Let's say you're the bug reporter. You report a bug and say, I'm trying to add one number to another and then deduct another number and then multiply by another number and then divide by another number. And I'm getting not the result I'm expecting to get. So obviously the bug is inside one of those operators. It's either the plus doesn't work, or it's the minus doesn't work, or maybe two of them don't work, but most probably one of them doesn't work. Of course, it's an oversimplification. I'm just giving this example so you understand the problem. The programmers usually what they do, they report me the whole expression. This is my full expression, all the operators together, and look at the result. This is not what I would expect to get. And now it's my job has to be, as an owner of this product, to find out which operator is broken, which doesn't work. And then I start doing that. These reporters, the people who report bugs, they expect me to start doing this job, to start finding where is the problem, which operator doesn't work. And after I find the location of the bug, then I start fixing it. I believe that this has to be the work of a bug reporter. So when you report a bug, you have to do your homework, you have to do the preparation work and find out which operator is broken. You can do that. You don't need to be the developer of the language. You don't need to know the internals of my programming language. You just have to try a little bit to play with these operators for a few minutes or maybe a few hours. But then you report to me and say, I'm using your language and I'm trying to add 2 plus 3 and I'm not getting 5, I'm getting 6. So you narrow down the problem to the more specific example, which you report to me and make my job much easier to fix the problem. And then it's my job to go into the internals of the language, find out why the operator plus doesn't work, and then I fix it, I release the new version of the language, I give it to you, you are happy. Usually people are lazy, or they don't have time, or they don't, I don't know, it's a combination of factors. They don't even want to think about what's going on, why. What I see are the symptoms. They just come to me with a huge description, with a huge snippet, with a huge piece of code, which doesn't work as they would like it to work. And then my job to decompose it into individual pieces and then find out which of those pieces is enough to reproduce the problem. That's what's going on. So my recommendation to you, I'm finishing, reject such bug reports. When you see the bug report, which is not the simplest possible, that's the formulation, not the simplest possible, you just reject it. Not reject it, maybe you say it in the comments, like, please make your report simpler. Reduce the amount of situations, reduce the amount of environmental conditions around the problem. Do this homework and then come back to me with a smaller description, then I will start fixing it. You will help yourself as a bug reporter, your bug will be fixed faster, and you will help us, developers of the product. We will be able to fix more bugs faster because they will come to us with in the simplest possible form. Thanks for listening. I will try to share this video with people who keep making this mistake. I will try to encourage them to reduce the scope of their bug reports. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.